Hello, good students. Feel welcome again. I just want us to go through this particular question. The question goes that the diagram below shows a micrometer screw gauge that is used by a student to measure the thickness of a hair. If it has a zero error of positive 0.04 millimeters, what is the actual thickness of the hair? Now, the micro screw gauge is actually provided here. Now, to do these particular questions, what are we supposed to do? We will proceed as follows. First of all is to get the sleeve scale reading, that is the sleeve scale reading. And if you can see this particular number, for this case, we are seeing at 6.5, this particular one at 6.5 here. Then we record it. And then we look at the stick that is coinciding. If you look at this one, the coinciding stick here is number 13. So we are going to write 13 multiplied by the least count, which give us 0.13. Then we add it to the sleeve scale. Remember, this is the thimble scale. So the sleeve scale plus the thimble scale, we get it at 6.63 millimeters. Now, the actual reading is now going to be the reading that we've gotten from the micro screw gauge. We minus, remember the positive error is subtracted. So we are going to say 6.63 minus 0.04. And by so doing, the actual reading of that particular thickness of the hair is going to be 6.59 millimeters. Thank you. And remember to subscribe to be notified of more interesting videos. Thank you.